How to log out Twitter account. So if you want to log out of your Twitter account, then first of all you need to open up your Twitter application or your X application and make sure to log into your account. So now to log out of your account, now you can simply go to the upper left, which has your profile icon, and here you can go for settings and support, and then settings and privacy, and here you can go for your account, which is on the first option, and then you can go for account information, and under your account information you will have logout option. Simply tap on logout, and again so it says that logging out will remove all X data from this device. So if you want to log out of your account, then simply tap on logout. And that's it. That's how you log out of your Twitter account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.